Hello. The fourth SICE is coming. PanGood's rolling in with our star lineup. Electric construction machinery solutions are prepared. Wanna see what new energy dark tech wizardry we're bringing this time? Let's dive in. PanGood's triple motor drive system for loaders utilizes 3 axial flux motors with modular design. Travel assembly uses dual axial flux motors. And 2-speed gearbox reduces total volume by 40%. Hydraulic pump drive uses integrated axial flux motor and transfer case design, increases low-speed torque by 4%, ensuring stability across all operating conditions. Single platform compatible with 5-6-ton loaders. 75% plus reduction in total operating costs vs. diesel-powered mode. 15-20 improvement over conventional single-motor solutions. Pioneering a new era of high-efficiency electric loaders. PanGood's Trucky Drive solution combines axial flux motors with amped. Motors feature 50% shorter axial length for simplified installation. Mining drive system specifications. Peak power, 900 kilowatts. Axial dimension, 407 millimeters. Optimized power chain, reduced mechanical links, 50% speed increase on 8% gradients, uninterrupted power delivery. Dual 92% efficiency, lower operational costs. PanGood PD's 120Q. Axial dimensions reduced by 50%. Direct integration into hubs. Minimizes energy transmission losses. Discover PanGood's full lineup of next-gen new energy construction at our booth.
Just PanGood.